Did you know city noise could be quietly damaging your heart while you sleep? Here is the surprising part. You do not have to wake up for the damage to happen. Traffic sounds, a distant television, even general city noise can trigger your body's stress response all night long, raising cortisol and blood pressure in the background without you ever knowing. Over time, that adds up to real cardiovascular risk. Simple changes help. Earplugs, a white noise machine, or blackout curtains can make a real difference. Talk to your doctor if you have concerns about your heart health.